Okay, Lexus GX 460, doing a very small dent on this on the quarter panel here, and it's, for the most part, it's out. It's got just a little bit of a sliver in it. You can just see right there. It's got a little bit of a sliver in it, but I think I can tap that down. It's a little bit high, and but for the most part, it's gone. And that's where the dent was, right there. And I glue popped it. I worked on it for a while too. I glue popped it, and I glue popped it several times, and it pretty much came out pretty quick. And then left just a little bit of low in the gouge. Had a gouge right in the center of the dent. It's probably a rock hit, and the gouge is going to be the hardest thing to come out without access to get a tool on it. Glue popping it's going to be a, just keep popping it and tapping it down until the dent comes all the way out. But it's a little bit high. It's just a little bit high. And you can see it, just a teeny little bit high. So anyway, pretty easy work. 2022 Lexus GX 460.